Well, remember back in the days, I think it was with the Nitro Circus guys and Jackass and everything, there was loopings in there and I saw that and I was like, oh, these guys are freaking nuts, you don't want to do that. But then during the years, you're like, oh, I want to do that as well. Now I feel sorry for all my clothes in the laundry all the time. now I know what it is to be in there. I'm really stoked. I'm hyped. Can't really put in words what's going on in my mind now. Probably I have to go back to the hotel, lay down, and then I'll start realizing, oh, I did the loop where I dreamed about it and it was on my bucket list, and it's a stripe on that one now. But yeah, just happy.
טוב, ראיתם את הדבר הזה, ואנחנו רוצים לדבר עכשיו על אופניים, שזה די מגניב, מה להגיד.
מאוד מגניב.
איתנו באולפן איתמר בבלי, שלום לך, אהלן, ודניאל ויידמאיר.
Hi, man.
Hi, how are you?
Good, and you?
Welcome.
Thank you.
You did all the stuff we saw there.
Yeah, most of it. Yeah, it was all me. That's from this year, last year, year before. Projects, dreams coming through on a BMX bike. Yeah.
Yeah. It's one of the coolest things I've ever seen, I think.
You think so?
Yeah. You don't?
Thank you.
Huh?
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Why are you in Israel?
Well, it's been always a dream to go to Israel. Part of my family is from here and still living here. Never had the chance, and then TSG came out with the question if I wanted to come to the street festival, and I was like, yeah, I want to come over, and they asked me for like a 3-day trip, and I told my brother, hey, like I'm going to Israel, and he's like, yeah, I'm going with you. So now I'm here for a week and been doing the tourist things the last days.
Yeah,
you know,
enjoying the nice weather, yeah.
and the nice weather. Yeah, I'm getting a color already a little bit, you know.
I'll do the translation and explanations in
Yeah.
Hebrew. יש כאן פסטיבל תרבות רחוב בעצם, ודניאל הוא אחד מהבכירים, מרוכבי הרמפות הבכירים בעולם, נכון איתמר?
כן, הוא מדהים. דברים שהוא עושה,
כן.
ממש... האמת שאני יותר מצנה של הרכיבת רחוב,
כן.
אבל אין משהו שאני לא מעריך, זה משהו אחר לגמרי, ואין משהו דומה לזה בארץ, הרכיבה.
בעצם, כל הסיפור הוא בעצם חלק מפסטיבל תרבות רחוב שמתקיים במודיעין, נכון?
כן.
ואתם תקיימו שם רכיבות הדגמה כאלה?
הוא יעשה רכיבות הדגמה, כי
כן.
הוא יכול לתת את זה, ויהיה תחרות של גילאים עד גיל 16 ומגיל 16 ומעלה, בשתי קטגוריות, בפארק וסוג של סטריט שם, וכן, יהיה מעניין.
כניסה חינם.
כן, כניסה
כולם
חינם.
מוזמנים? אתה
כן.
גם משתתף בתחרות?
אני שופט גם בתחרות, גם דניאל פה שופט. We judge too in the competition.
Yeah.
Doing a little bit show. And yeah, it's going to be good for the scene to see like a pro rider ride the skate park. They ride a lot and see what you can do on those ramps.
So you're a professional, completely professional.
Yeah, they call it professional once you make money from it and
Yeah.
you can live from it. I've been riding professional competitions since I was 16, and for like 3 years now I'm making the money of BMX and living the dream, traveling around the world, and now we're here in Israel.
Yeah. How did you become so good?
I just got fascinated with the whole passion and committed myself to riding every day, and I've never had like the feeling of becoming a pro rider. I just
Yeah.
had so much fun on that bike with my friends and every day traveling to other cities, finding out new spots on the streets, on the skate parks, and just pushing the limits with my body as well. And it just grew into something more than just riding a BMX bike. And
So how does the life, the day-to-day life of a pro BMX rider look? Do you
it's
practice? How
it's-
much do you practice?
I practice a lot. I was talking yesterday about it with TSG, and they said I came out to like a 4-hour training every day. I go to the gym. I do mountain biking every morning, and then I ride like for in between 3-4 hours a day on the BMX bike. But there's also days you do nothing to rest. The last 4 days I've done nothing here. I mean, nothing. I'm not saying nothing. I've been running on the beach to get fit
Yeah.
and everything, but sporting a lot every day.
Tell us what we're seeing right now.
In 2013, this is just like 2-3 months before I came on Red Bull. They asked me if I had something big I wanted to do, and Amsterdam is my local city. And I told them like, hey, I want to jump over one of the canals in Amsterdam with a backflip, and it started like kind of as a joke, you know, in a bar with a drink, and then evolved into this, and I jumped over the canal with a backflip, and it got all over the world.
Dangerous.
I mean, everything you're doing is dangerous in BMX. It's just the risk you're taking, you can take that down by training in the right way for it. Because we set up this ramp indoor to get the practice on it with less distance than this one, and you just grew into something bigger. It's
I have
something
to
you
ask,
build up.
Have you ever like crashed real hard?
I mean, I had loads of crashes. I mean, I crash every day. If I take my bike now, right there, I might crash. You know, you never know. It's always something. I've had a
wanna
hard
try?
crash. Oh, we can give it a try.
Let's
I
give
don't
it
want
a
to
try.
crash,
Okay?
but yeah, I've had a couple hard crashes. But
Let's go over there.
Deal, yeah.
We call it the printer studio because it's next to the office printer.
Can I
okay.
jump on the print now?
Yeah, of course you do.
איתמר, ספר לנו בינתיים, איך נראית הסצנה הזאת בכלל בישראל? איך... יש אנשים שעושים משהו...
סצנה קטנה,
כן,
כמו כל
כמה
דבר
אנשים
פה.
בערך?
אני חושב שרוכבים
Oh
שלוקחים
no,
את
it's
זה,
alright. I got it.
שממש ברצינות לוקחים את זה.
Is it possible to do...
I can do something. You want me to tell something about the bike
Yeah,
first?
explain.
So yeah, it's a 20-inch bike. It's really small, but it's still possible to ride on it with my size. And then, as you can see, the handlebar has like double cables here, so you can keep rotating it around and still hit the brake wherever you are, and you can keep going with it. So there's a system that whenever you do tricks,
Because in regular bike, the cable...
yeah,
stuck.
it just stuck. So whenever you do a trick in the air and you go, your handlebars like this, or you take the bike like this, it just keeps going, you know. And then we got this on one side, the pegs. You can grind with it. That's like sliding down rails on latches, on banks, or whatever you want. And you can also do stalls with it. So you stall it on something and you go back into the ramp or something like this. And what else? Just there's not much on the bike.
Are they light?
Have a try.
What?
It's alright.
Not very. Not-
Well, I've had lighter before, but it's getting out of control. You know, I want something in between.
Can you
my
jump
legs.
off this table?
I mean, I can jump off this table. I hit the roof, but
Let's go.
I think I'll hit the roof.
Really?
Yeah, I'll do something else.
Okay.
I'll do something else.
לא התקבל האלתור שלי.
So you see, you can do
Whoa!
everything with this bike. You know. So you can jump around. It's very easy to hop around.
It's the first time you're doing it in an office, I'm sure.
Well, I don't like doing it with closed space like this, but I'm scared I'm gonna destroy the printer or something. But
Oh, it's just...
you wanna have a try?
Yeah.
הייתי בניו.
Watch out with one thing, you know, the pedals, they have like these pins. If you slip off the pedals, your legs are not gonna look nice anymore. I don't know if you have to go to the beach
Scratches
tomorrow.
like the pin. With the,
It's gonna scratch you a little bit.
I'm gonna ask איתמר to help me do something. מה אני יכול לעשות שלא מסכן אותי?
אתה יכול לנסות לקפוץ, שזה התרגיל הכי
Just
בסיסי
make sure.
באופניים.
Yeah, just step on the bike, on the. Yeah, you're always standing. Don't sit
כן,
down.
לא יושבים. צריך
Yeah, you
למשוך את
see
הכידון
the
למעלה.
balance in this bike. It's really easy to control it.
Yeah. And shall I jump?
I mean, you can try, but you're gonna fall off for sure.
Yeah?
Try it. Oh, you got it.
Now I'm gonna do the flip.
Try it.
No. Too much.
You see, but it's it's not easy to learn, but it's fun. It's a fun project because it's with friends and you go all with the bikes on the streets and just a good time, you know.
Yeah, so is there any Israeli scene doing this?
יש, נדבר בעברית, יש סצנה של, אני מעריך רוכבים שלוקחים את זה ברצינות, משהו כמו 20, בין 20 ל-30 אנשים, שגם הרוב זה חבר'ה צעירים שמתחילים בגיל 13-14, והרבה הצבא, אחרי הצבא הם לא ממשיכים, או בזמן הצבא. ויש כמה חבר'ה פה שגם קיבלו ספונסרים מחו"ל עכשיו, יש את סער, יש את אלון קוסוי, יש פרד, שהם רוכבים ממש טובים. הם נוסעים כל יום.
Let's go back to the table.
We go back in there. You don't want to jump anymore?
Later.
I'll leave it here then.
אוקיי.
מה שכן, הם רוכבים,
ברוכים הבאים,
אהלן,
ברוכים השבים.
ראיתי,
נטע?
הייתי טוב, נכון?
כן? מצוין. הצלחת כמעט
ברור.
לעשות 360
720 באוויר. בקפליפ. כן.
מה שכן, אין את הרמפות, לא היה פה בארץ עד שנת 2007 בערך, שפתחו סקייט פארק בתל אביב, שהוא גם לא לאופניים.
פתחו המון פארקים גם לסקייטבורד וגם ראיתי הרבה רוכבי אופניים שם בהרצליה, בתל אביב, בהרבה מקומות.
הרצליה לא לאופניים, כפר סבא לא לאופניים, באר שבע לא לאופניים.
אסור להיכנס עם אופניים?
אסור.
אז איפה יש פארקים של אופניים?
מודיעין, ותל אביב עכשיו עקרונית רשום שאסור, אבל זה כבר חופשי כמה שנים.
אוקיי,
אז שם הרוב נוסעים בתל אביב,
כן.
ולאט לאט מתחיל גם להיכנס הקטע של הקפיצות, וקצת לנסוע רמפות כמו שצריך, כי עד לפני כמה שנים עדיין זה מאוד קטן פה הרמפות. ויש כמה רוכבים ממש טובים שנוסעים בתחרות, נראה בחור שקוראים לו דניס למשל, הוא ייסע יפה אני בטוח, זה יהיה מעניין.
טוב, are you going to do something extreme in מודיעין?
You never know. I'm that guy. I'll arrive and I've never been to the skate park, so I'll just get there, look at the skate park. If I see something big, I'll go for it. If it's something smaller, I'll still show off what I got, like what I got in my body, and I'm riding a bike. So
Are you doing it
I
with
hope.
a helmet?
Yeah, I got my helmet with me. It's a TSG helmet as well. I think it's one of the most important things, especially when you ride park, to wear a helmet. I mean, if you look at the canal over the canal jump, if you crash, you need a helmet. You know, I mean, we're going speeds which you go on a motorcycle as well, not like 300, but sometimes I go up to like 70 k's an hour. I think a helmet's important in every sport in general, but yeah. Kids out there wear a helmet.
Wear a helmet and I hope you have fun there.
Thanks a lot, man.
Good luck.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
דניאל, איתמר, תודה רבה, שיהיה המון בהצלחה.
תודה.
זה כאמור פסטיבל תרבות רחוב במודיעין. אנחנו נעשה הפסקה קצרה, הפסקת מוזיקה. נמשיך.